Now I know I can understand this virus, how it's attacking. I'm Ekta's favorite. Galiyan is one song which is not a song for me. It's a vibe.
Welcome to Box Office India, Akhil.
Thank
And
you so much.
before I start the interview, I would really want to tell you that we love your song. So thank you for
Thank you.
creating such nice music.
Thank you. My
So
pleasure. I'm glad.
before asking anything else, I would of course start with asking about your family, which you just told us that your family was tested with COVID positive, all of
Yeah.
them. So
Yeah.
how was that phase for you?
How does that feel for me?
Yeah.
As I said, it's we've been seeing it when other people were getting it, and I think now when they say that things are getting better, I think they are not getting better. Because people I think have become, like including all of us, have become little easy on it, and now is the real time when I think it's coming back. I think I'm talking about Delhi because I'm in Delhi since last 6 months, and
Yeah.
now when it happened to my family, and it just amazed because I think for 1 week it started with my niece, my elder niece, who's negative, but it started with her. Like she got fever, she started having fever, and because I stay separately. My whole family stays we in Delhi only, but I don't stay with them. I have my own place, and uh, so she got tested. She got fever, and then everybody started having those symptoms: fever and body ache. And then I think it was really harsh when my mom dad they got the same symptom and they got on bed immediately. Like I think it struck my parents really bad because my dad and mom they have the medical history. They are my dad is on insulin, he's diabetic, and my mom is asthmatic. So we didn't realize it for 1 week, and we went to the doctor also, and doctor just felt it's quite a normal fever. Like they all felt
Yeah.
that this is a regular fever. It's only when my youngest niece, Pia, she's 4 years old. She got 103 fever, and she vomited. She started vomiting, and then I felt that it was something needs to be done about it, and I got their COVID test done. I sent the guy to get their samples and everything, and then everybody except Rida, which was my elder niece,
Yeah.
she was negative, and rest all of them were positive. So I think it's been what last Monday they've been quarantining at home. Today's Monday. It's been 7 days in their quarantining, but they had the symptoms before 1 week, so it's almost 10, 14 days. And I can see now. I know I can understand this virus, how it's attacking, and how it is. I think I got emotional as well. There were very weak moments because my niece, my elder niece Rida, is staying with me at my house, and for a kid to stay away from their parents, it's just weird. She's a strong girl, and when she gets emotional, I get emotional as well. But I think now uh, they are on a recovery phase. Like things like there's no fever since last 2 days to my dad, and he had above 101 fever since 8 9 days. So it was terrible, but. Yeah, everything's fine. I'm just being positive. It's just to see you haven't experienced it. When you experience it,
Yeah.
and especially you're the only one who's not affected, the whole family is tested positive. So when I
Yeah.
call them, I ask them how is my brother. I have to ask the same thing about my bhabhi, same thing about my mom, same thing about my
Yeah.
dad, and same thing about my niece. So it's just a terrible feeling, but I think we're passing this phase, and by next one more week, and then I shall see my parents, and they'll be all fine. So yeah,
Let's
all
hope
good,
for
all
that.
good.
Let's hope for that.
Yeah,
So
yeah, all
coming
good,
to
all
your
good.
latest song, Galia, it
Yeah.
has I mean, like any other song of yours, it has created a great buzz and everyone's loving it. So how did
Yeah.
it happen for you?
I think Galia, I've been mentioning it in a lot of my posts as well. I think Galia is one song which is not a song for me. It's a vibe. It's a vibe. I always make sure that I don't call it a song. See, any song that you make, you feel special. Like when it's coming out, you feel it's special. Uh, when I was asked from Ekta's team and to make the song for Bebaki, so they
Yeah.
were very clear. They told me they want 4 songs, but from me they said they want one blockbuster song. She clearly told me. And I'm Ekta's favorite. By God's grace, I'm Ekta's favorite person when it comes to music. And I've given OTT her all shows like big chartbuster songs. And I don't know why she felt that this is my best, but I kind of believe it because it's something different that I've done. Probably it's not just me. Weber, who's done the production and arrangement for the song, he's like it was his idea of taking the sound of the song to a different level,
Yeah.
and it's become what it is become. You guys are hearing, like, I think the amount of uh, applause I'm getting for Galia, is tremendous. Being on an OTT platform and not a
Yeah.
film song, I think it's the organic, and I think Bebaki the show also got the highest rating as well,
Yeah.
9.2
Yeah.
out
Yeah.
of 10.
Yeah. Indeed.
So and all the songs are amazing in that series. So I don't know. I've been tripping on Galiyan since the time I've made it. So they gave me a gist of the story and where how the character is shaping up and the story behind the character. But the best part is I normally make music for the heck of making music, not given a story. I make music free heartedly. मैं एक बहुत खुले दिल का इंसान हूँ. मतलब मुझे जब वो मोमेंट जब दिल में आता है कि मुझे बनाना है तो मैं बनाता हूँ और जो naturally आता है. Like the best part is I don't take away my individuality from the song. It's
Yeah.
my signature mark in the song and my style. But the best part about this song is somebody gave me the situation and they trusted me. So the only pressure that I had was that Ekta believed that they said I need 4 songs, Akhil. If you can give four, give four. But I think no, I just want one blockbuster from you. And that pressure, because I delivered it before, it was the only thing in my mind. And best part was that God's there because I make music from pure soul and purity. The
Yeah.
first song, the first line, the first composition that came was the song itself. Like I didn't have to change anything. And I remember I made the Mukhla, I presented it to Ekta, and they just loved it. So my song got selected only on the basis of Mukhla only, like the initial part. And here it is now. And I think it's everybody's favorite song, Kushal, and the whole team's favorite song is
Yeah.
Galiyan. It's created a good buzz, yeah. So everybody's vibing. That's why I say it's a vibe.
Yeah.
It's a vibe, yeah.
So that
Yeah,
rarely
yeah.
happens that a song that is played in a background on an OTT show gets such a recognition. So I think you've done a great job there.
Yeah,
People are
it's just
loving
amazing.
it.
Like God's there. I think God's there, and I think the best part is I would want to say, I don't make music for a platform. Like I make
Yeah.
music for making music. So then platform doesn't matter to me. But it's good. See, it's people. It's our system. It's our society. How we take things and how we categorize things. But it's great to see that it's a non-film song and not even a single, an OTT show song
Yeah.
getting such a great buzz and everybody. And I've been getting calls from a lot of my industry friends as well that they didn't know that I can create such a vibe as well. Like it's amazing. So I'm just
That's
enjoying the
good.
vibe. Yeah,
That's
yeah.
so good. Thank you so much for your time. I hope you keep creating such more songs and we get to see more.
Thank you, thank you so
Thank
much.
you
God
so
bless
much.
and you take care. Thank you.
Thank you. You too. Bye.
Bye, bye, bye.